Assembly of the disk tube member module. Top flange assembly. Bottom flange assembly. Apply the anti-seize agent to threads of both ends of the tie rod. Insert the tie rod into the bottom flange and fix it with nuts. Install the model to the base and fix it with half nuts. Install seals on the front and back of the deflector disc. Install two adjacent deflector discs by 180 degrees alternately. Install deflector discs and membranes with 10 pieces in a group. Install the assembled deflector disc group on the tie rod. There are 210 deflector discs and 209 pieces of membranes in total, and there's no membrane on the topmost deflector disc. Install the flange with seal bush on the topmost deflector disc. Brush the lip seals of the top and bottom flange with glycerin. Clean dirt from the inner surface of the membrane shell. Membrane shell installation. The assembly of the disk tube membrane module. Install the membrane module onto the base and fix it with half nuts. Pull out the membrane shell. Wipe off any dirt remaining on the lip seals and the outer surface of the deflector disc group. Remove the full nut, tie rod spacer, and top flange with seal bush in sequence. Remove and inspect the top 3 to 5 deflector discs and membranes one by one. Remove and inspect the middle part of the deflector discs sequentially in groups of 10 pieces. Remove and inspect the bottom 35 pieces of membranes one by one. Disassemble the bottom flange. Finally, remove the tie rod from the base, the half nut, and the full nut. Water purification principle of the disk tube membrane module. Raw water is distributed into the membrane shell through the inlet. Water flows upwards through the channel between the outer surface of the deflector disc group and the membrane shell. Then, the water enters the first deflector disc through the 8 channels of the top flange. The raw water enters the first deflector disc. Then, it flows through the slot, which is in the center of the deflector disc, to the next one. The special hydrodynamic design allows the fluid from turbulence where it flows through the membrane surface under pressure and collide with the bump. This increases the permeation rate and enhances the automatic cleaning function. The permeate flow passes through the membrane and enters the permeate channel by the inflow network in the membrane. The pollutants in the raw water are intercepted by the membrane. Shown as a simplified sketch and not to scale. After the raw water filtration by the membrane, the permeate flows into the permeate collector along the inflow network. Then the permeate is discharged from the permeate outlet. The O-ring on the deflector disc is to prevent raw water entering the permeate route. The raw water flows along the gap between the membrane and the deflector disc to the next piece of membrane for further filtration. The raw water is eventually discharged through the concentrate outlet. Discharge of concentrate and permeate.